make sure y'all waving. Oh, y'all see the fairy godmother at the top? Yeah. There's Jasmine and Mulan. Alright guys, no one knows exactly what we're about to do.
Out of hand. That squirts water.
But we just saw the parade. It was so beautiful.
Yeah, we saw all the princesses.
And we got a good spot on the road.
Yeah, we're going to see, we're going inside the castle.
No, we're not going inside the castle.
But we can.
Because I don't think we can. I don't know. We're going to see. I don't know.
What is that smell?
All right, so
good.
we're going to figure it out. You see Moana? Alright, so we are headed into the castle. I mean the what, baby?
Princess castle.
Into the princess castle. I think this is Cinderella's castle, so we're heading into there.
Yeah. No. What is that?
Alright guys, so we're doing our first ride, and you guys want to go in? So we're doing the Winnie the Pooh ride first, and they're going through this tunnel that's in the trees. You see they went in. Let's see. Oh yeah, we in here. We in the tunnel. Okay, come on, y'all.
Hello, and welcome to the mini adventures of Winnie the Pooh.
Who we missing? You got
one day in the hungry neighborhood, the East Wind traded places. If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite!
Our presentation. Thank you.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Oh, you're in for a real treat. The Carousel Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. He loved it.
Wait, is the whole room moving?
Yeah, that's why I didn't know like what.
It's a dream come true.
Hey guys, we're eating right now, right?
Yeah, we had to get some food in us because we... Kristen. Don't do that to the camera. So we get some food in this because we hadn't had any lunch. It's like 3 o'clock. So everybody needed to eat something. So that's what we're sitting down doing. Got some burgers and fries and chicken tenders and stuff like that.
I'm eating some of her fries.
Yeah. So we still got a few hours left at the park. So we're gonna eat and then
well, technically, I'm almost eating all of her fries.
yeah, that's fine. So we still got a few more hours at the park, and we're gonna talk to you guys a little later. Hey guys, so we have had something to eat, and we're making our way back across the bridge. So you can see the castle right there. So we're making our way back across the bridge, and we're gonna take a picture. And
Where we gonna prop it up at? Right
I don't know, we're gonna go to Adventureland and see what that's about.
We're going to a tree house, y'all.
Yes! That's cannibal. It's wild.
Come on.
So Kayla, how cool is the treehouse?
How
Kayla.
did somebody get it?
Kaylin, is the treehouse cool?
Yeah. How did that water go? They probably called
Someone may have just put it in there. They may have tossed it in.
I'm gonna get it.
Alright guys, so we're about to go on the Aladdin ride. Are you ready? Are you girls ready?
Yeah. And I'm driving.
Alright, so we are about to ride.
Y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de los bordes de los hombros.
You have to sit.
Cuide a sus pequeñitos.
Hi there, which one is the oldest?
She is.
Can she come on this side, please?
Okay. It's not working.
Go up! Guys, go up!
Alright guys, so we're standing in the line to go into the Haunted Mansion, and it's starting to pour down raining.
Yes, it feels so good.
But yes, the rain does feel good because it's been so hot. It was like 90 something degrees out here today, but it's like pouring down raining. We're standing in this long line to go through the Haunted Mansion. We've been in this line for about 15 minutes, but this line is like super duper long. I really think it's going to be our last attraction for today, and we're going to call it a day until tomorrow. We're going to do Animal Kingdom. I want to go into a store today before we leave here and get a souvenir from the actual Disney park, but there's a souvenir store near our resort. But I'm going to get a souvenir from here. Tyler do too. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be in the mansion in a second. So we're going to get back on the camera once we get into the mansion.
Which offers you this killing
Why are you making noises?
to find a way out.
guys, this is the end of day 1 of our Disney trip.
That's what I just said.
We are right now on a ferry boat on our way back to the bus to get to the hotel. We need to get the raincoat. No, she never put it on. She was sitting on it because. Alright guys, it is day 2 and we are at Animal Kingdom. This was a hectic morning because we had to get up super early to get here. So we are here as they open and we're going to stay until about 5 o'clock. So let's have some fun. We're about to get the rental stroller and explore Animal Kingdom. Hi guys, so we are here and we're down around. Why are you looking like that? We stopped and got hats. Look, everybody got hats and ears. And so we're doing our first ride and we're doing the dinosaur ride. It's like the one from yesterday, the magic carpet. So let's ride this ride. Alright guys, so we are.
I saw it's really bad.
Alright, so we're in line for another ride.
This is a real ride.
Yeah, these have like real roller coasters, not like how Magic Kingdom have. So the other kids really can't ride it and they're scared. So just Kyler is hanging out with the
Kyler is the
parents.
only trooper.
So Kyler is hanging out with the parents. Yeah, she is a daredevil, and she's exploring, and she's gonna be able to say she did it. So I can't record on the ride. I can, but I'd rather not to. So we're gonna talk to you guys and tell y'all how our experience was once we get off of this ride. Oh, that's a good view.
They doing boat. I mean, music on the boat.
Team members, once on board, secure all gear.
Hey guys, we have done our first water ride. You can see that I am wet from the water ride. Now we're about to do a trail and just see monkeys, dragons, and what else on this trail? I don't know. Dragons, monkeys, and tigers on this trail. This got my hat on, turned to the back now. But we're about to walk a trail. In my opinion, so far, I'm enjoying Animal Kingdom better than Magic Kingdom. Just because of all the attractions. Like, both of them was good, but I'm enjoying Animal Kingdom a bit more. And I think the kids is as well. I know that fan is nice. You guys see the tiger right there? It's sleeping. Okay.
Oh, y'all see the thing in the ground?
No.
Oh, it's the dragon right here, next to the trees.
Oh, here you go.
That's the kimono dragon. I don't think it.
Right, so y'all bad, so y'all
Right up there, and that's where they're gonna fly to, so they can make their nest out of there.
Oh,
No.
At the same time?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the seat?
somebody behind you.
Yeah, buddy.
See bird?
What kind is that?
I'm not sure, baby.
Bird. Bird.
All right, hey guys, we are on the animal safari. Say hi.
Hi.
So we are driving in a truck and we're about to see some animals. So let's see what animals we can spot. kids. Are you guys ready? Yeah, it is like so freaking hot. It's so hot. Look, they got the water stands with the spray on them. Alright, so let's get on this safari ride.
Well, if you look over there to the right, in the back right corner, there is an open light over there. It's rest in a U-shaped fashion. One of my favorite things to see the springbok do. So definitely keep an eye out for springbok.
Oh,
there go another one. He came up.
Alright guys, it is the end of our day of day 2, Animal Kingdom, and we are leaving. We are going back to the resort and about to chill out at the pool and do some packing and everything, but it's the end of day 2, our final day. Did you have fun?
Yes.
All right. So as long as Daddy had fun, you know, everybody had fun.